हरिः कर्ता।
So far we have seen how to handle how to handle missing data. So we have begun with data imputation techniques and then deletion techniques. So we have seen each and every technique in detail with example. So now it's time to deal with duplicates. So out of this we will first detect and identify the duplicate records based on one or multiple key attributes in the data set. Then we will go ahead and remove the duplicate records to ensure the data integrity and avoid biased analysis. Duplicates, so let me print it. Print data dot, we have to say duplicated and sum of. So we have only one duplicate. We know that, but before that, let me print data also. Yeah, and they're saying there is only one duplicate. That's one. So that could be that you can figure it out. And 30 and 32 there looks similar. So there, that row has been duplicated. That's what it's trying to say. It's trying to say. Okay. So now I need to remove because I have identified I have identified the duplicates. Now I need to remove the duplicates. So let me remove duplicate records. So data dot drop, and I need to drop duplicates. So in drop you will have various methods. You can drop NA, drop level, drop, and then drop duplicates. Let me go for the drop duplicates. So I need to do it in place and true. And here you would have found the duplicate has been. So here you see that data dot duplicate. Okay. So data drop duplicates, and now let's verify the updated data set. So let's verify the updated data set. So print data set again. That's it, it's gone. So before it was 32, this is the one which is duplicated, and that one it's gone. Now you have only 31 rows. So these examples provide a starting point for handling missing data, outliers, and duplicates. So depending on your specific data set and requirements, you may need to explore additional techniques or methods for more robust data pre-processing and cleansing.